Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! So this is the part 2 of the sinusoidal equation. So itutuloy lang natin. So yung mga sinusoidal equation natin, sinusoidal waveform natin, ay may mathematical equation to represent yung ating mga wave. So this is the function of y, which is equals to a sine omega t plus or minus phi, where a is the amplitude or the maximum value or the peak value. The omega is the angular frequency in radians per second. T is time in second. And phi is the phase angle expressed in degrees or radians. So example, V is equals to 5 sine 370 plus 50 degrees volts. Or pwede rin natin siyang express as I is equals to 10 sine 100t minus pi over 4 amperes. So let's have practice problem number 1. Find the amplitude, phase, frequency, and period of the sinusoid V equals to 12 sine 370 plus 10 degrees volts. So kung susundan natin yung ating equation, yung general equation natin for the sinusoidal waveform, yung A natin, yan yung 12, at yung omega natin, yan yung 377 sa ating equation, at yung ating phi ay yung 10 degrees. So, the answer will be amplitude is equals to 12 volts, dahil yan yung A natin. Yun namang ating phi, or the phase angle, that is 10 degrees. And you will notice that is positive. So, it means the wave is shifted by 10 degrees to the left. Yung omega natin or the angular frequency is 377 radians per second. So we all know that the equation for angular frequency is 2 pi f. So para makuha natin yung frequency, it's simply omega all over 2 pi. So substitute lang natin 377 divided by 2 pi, and this will give us frequency is equals to 60 hertz. And for the period, that is t is equals to 1 over f. So 1 over 60, this will give us the period of 16.67 milliseconds. Practice problem number 2. Given the sinusoid v, function of t is equals to 5 sine 4 pi t minus 60 degrees volts. Calculates its amplitude, the phase angle, the angular frequency, period, and frequency. So again, using our equation, itatapat lang natin yan. So yung A natin, yung 5, at yung 4 pi t, yan yung ating omega. At yung negative 60 degrees, yan ang ating phi, or the phase angle. So writing our solution, the amplitude is equals to 5 volts. Our phase angle is negative 60 degrees. It means that the wave is shifted by 60 degrees to the right. Our angular frequency is simply 4 pi. And to solve for the period, that is period is equals to 2 pi over angular frequency. So 2 pi all over 4 pi, and this will give us 0.5 seconds, or that is equivalent to 500 milliseconds. And for the frequency, that is the reciprocal of period, that will give us simply 2 hertz. Practice problem number 3. Find the amplitude, phase angle, angular frequency, period, and frequency of the sinusoid I is equals to 10 sine 314t minus pi over 4. So, again, comparing to our general equation, The 10 here is our amplitude. The 314 is our angular frequency. And the phase angle is pi over 4. So the amplitude is simply 10 amperes. And phi, or the phase angle, is negative pi over 4. So if we're going to convert that into degrees, that will give us negative 45 degrees. This means that the wave is shifted by 45 degrees to the right. Our angular frequency is 314 radians per second. And to solve for the period, that will give us 2 pi over omega, or angular frequency. This will give us 2 pi over 314. And this will give us a period of 20 milliseconds. And to solve for the frequency, that is simply 1 over the period. Substitute the value of the period of 20 milliseconds. Then frequency will be equals to 50 hertz. For problem number 4, a sinusoidal voltage is given by the expression V is equals to 300 cosine 120 pi t plus 30 degrees. So determine the frequency, period, the magnitude of V at time is equals to 2.78 milliseconds, and the RMS value of V. So we have the following given. The peak voltage is 300 volts. The angular frequency is simply 120 pi. So we are asked to solve for the frequency, the period, the magnitude of V when time is 2.78 milliseconds, and the RMS voltage. So for the frequency, we simply use the equation of angular frequency is equals to 2 pi f. So to solve for the f, that is simply 120 pi over 2 pi, and this will give us 60 hertz, a frequency. For the period, that is simply 1 over f. So substitute the 60 hertz, then time, or the period, is equals to 16.67 millisecond. So to solve for the magnitude of V, using time is equals to 2.78 milliseconds, we simply plug in the value of t doon sa ating 120 pi t. So 120 pi multiply by 2.78 milliseconds. At yung makukuha natin dito, of course, nasa radians siya, i-convert mo ngayon sa degrees. So yung 120 pi multiply by 2.78 milliseconds, i-convert natin yun sa degrees. Then this will give us 300 cosine, 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. And the voltage is equals to 0 volts. For the RMS value of the voltage, that is equals to 0.707 of the peak voltage, or simply 0.707 multiplied by 300, and that will give us an RMS value of 212.1 volts. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment, at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!